I'm sorry for having you abducted. We had to resort to such methods since you refused to leave the club that my brother is so fond of. We also wanted to test his resolve to see if he would come to your rescue if he would be put in any danger.
So tama nga si Loki. Ikaw ang mastermind. Tell me, bakit niyo ba ako pinipilit umalis ng QED Club? Ano bang meron? Why are you so obsessed with it?
Maggie must have told you repeatedly that she wants to help you. The truth is, we are just trying to protect you from any danger that might come with your association with my brother. Kilala mo si Rhea, di ba? At alam mo naman kung ano nangyari sa kanya.
Yes. Sabi ni Loki, pinatay daw siya ng taong kilala lang as M.
And why would they kill an innocent girl?
Dahil nga, close siya kay Loki.
Every collision has collateral damage, Lorelai. More than half a year ago, my brother investigated several cases that connected all to one person, only known as M. And this elusive M seemingly struck back by killing my brother's only friend. Rhea became that collateral damage.
So, ano kinalaman nun sa pagdukot niya sa akin?
The M is still active. And you, by being Loki's closest person, could be the next collateral damage. We are trying to prevent that. I personally asked Maggie to persuade you to leave the club. Pero mukhang ayaw mo. Mukhang you're willing to take the risk for Loki. Bakit kaya?
Well, kung magiging collateral damage man ako, don't you think dapat mapaghandaan ko na mabuti kung ano man pwedeng mangyari sa akin? Diba?